What do y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video we are going to review the green figures, what's going on in green figures, and why am I leaving green figures. Okay, first of all, shout out to George. Okay, guys, George is been in the crypto space for quite some time, and he's a reputable auditor, and from my point of view, he's an honest guy. Okay, so I have no complaints about George. But there were some things that was posted on Green Figures TG chat that I didn't like about. Okay, so let's go back to the pin messages if they still here. Uh, um, the pin message is gone. But essentially, Mo, never knew about this Mo, by the way. Mo decided to post a message on the TG saying that I actually posted that message on my chat. Uh, no, not this one. Let me see if I can find it. Right here. Right here. So Mo, I think the Mo is the trader. Okay. He says, I've been observing the last few weeks, both with others and with us. Okay. I've seen that many cannot manage their project properly, and therefore we have to pull the plug or do not know what to do anymore. Okay, that will not be the case here with us, and we'll do everything for that. Okay, when we come up with a project, we had not taken requests into account, and that wasn't the plan to sit with us either. We finally tried this with 28 days and then reduced to 8 days. So he's talking about the withdrawal requests. Okay, this fund right here, withdraw the capital. Okay, initially you had to wait 28 days, but then they have reduced to 8 days, as you can see right there. Okay, and but still notice that people only think about requests instead of trading forex. Okay, if this option is here, we are free to do whatever we please. Okay, we can request and deposit and request and deposit as many times as we want because there is the option. Okay, so you cannot blame people from do what they want to do because the option is there. Okay, so if you as a dev or team decided to put that option there, don't complain that people are using that option. Okay, if the option is there, we are entitled to do whatever they want. This is also very suspicious for the broker because they will suspect me of money laundering. Okay, and how about the deposits? Okay, wouldn't they just suspect that every single week money are coming in or more money are coming in? Wouldn't they suspect that's money laundering too? Just saying, right? We're drawing money too often. And to be honest, we don't want to be dealing with requests all day long. So here you can make your request from today. It's either you are in or you are out. You are part of the process or you are part of the success, or you can leave from today. So from Friday, no more requests can be made. I will honestly share with you everything that works against us and always work in our favor. So Mo posted this and essentially was saying that people requesting the funds was creating a suspicious activity, and the broker was potentially would start thinking that he was doing money laundering. But that doesn't make much sense because, for example, if you are trading, right, so you can use the profits they generated from the trades to pay people that want out. Simple as that. Same thing as paying the profits to investors. Wouldn't the broker think that something suspicious going on? It doesn't. This is a very, very poor excuse and does not make sense. Essentially, Mo wanted to lock these funds forever. Okay, so essentially, he wanted to remove the option to request the initial capital. Essentially, your capital would be locked forever and you would not be able to claim it anymore. Okay, that's Mo wanted to do. So And then George came into the scenes a few hours later, and he wasn't aware about this statement because seems like Mo didn't discuss with George about this plan that he had in mind, okay, because George wasn't aware about this, okay, this message. So George was surprised, and George then spoke to Mo. They had a conversation, and then from there, okay, they decided to come up with a plan, okay. So initially the plan was um, to tax everybody that won out 10%. Okay, so they wanted to apply a 10% tax on this withdrawal initial. Okay, so essentially, so if you deposit 100, you would be receiving 900 because you would pay a 10% tax. But when everybody signed up to the project, okay, there was never a tax on that. So why would you put a tax on that? So a lot of people complain about it because it wasn't fair, because most of the people been in from day one and nobody signed up for the 10% tax. Okay, so they listened to the community and they decided to remove the capital request tax. Okay, they also going to stop the 3% cash back. Okay, so that's good enough. And what else? What else? What else? What else? And yeah, that's that. That's it. So all of these, even though everything's all good now, all of these make me think that, these guys, they're supposed to be a team, right? So George, Mo, and whoever's behind the team, they're supposed to be a team, and before they come out and put message out, announcements out, they're supposed to have a discussion, a meeting, right? So a team meeting to discuss, okay, what's happening with the project, and what are the issues, what are the solutions, and what we're going to do to move forward, right? So they should have a team meeting first prior to come over here and bluntly announce that we are going to do this, all right? Because these green figures is a community project. Without the community, there would be no green figures because there would be no money to invest in a project, right? So it's a community-based project. And yes, they should have a team meeting, and then from that meeting or those meetings, they should come over here and put the solutions to the public, to the community, and then the community should choose what's best for them, right? Because in the end, it's our money that they are playing with. Okay, but they didn't do that. Was a bit disappointing, but seems like everything is all good. And yeah, so today so far they have made 33%, right? So is this a coincidence? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. But one thing is for sure, I am gonna go out. Okay, so tomorrow will be payday. I thought it would be today, Friday, but it's gonna be tomorrow. So tomorrow, when I receive my funds, um, I'm gonna withdraw my funds. I'm gonna claim my funds, and then I'm gonna request my initial capital, and it will be the end for green figures in regards to me. Okay, guys. So you guys, if you're still in a project and you want to continue with the project, cool, good for you. I hope you none but the best. But for me, that's enough, and I'm happy with it. I'm happy with everything they've done for me, and from now on, I'm just gonna request my fund. Well, tomorrow I'm gonna request my investment, and I will be out. Okay, but yeah, that doesn't mean I'm gonna stop making videos for green figures. As long as the project is still up and running, if there is some news that people should know about, I will come over here and be happy to make um, the updates about the project. But in regards to me as an investor, this or tomorrow is going to be the end of the line. Okay. That being said, guys, let me know your thoughts about green figures. Are you still bullish about green figures? And are you going to be in, or are you going to leave just like I am going to do it tomorrow? Okay. Let me know in the comment box below. And yeah, I would like to know what your thoughts are. Okay, that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.